Let me get this thing running here. Okay.
You can see the cracks above the doors there. Get the camera up where you can see the cracks above the doors. Ceilings are all wavy in bad shape. The door here is tied at the top. Down here you can stick your hand in it.
Air just gushes
Not
through it.
fitting proper at all. Right here you can already stick it in here. You can stick your hand in it. And that's just one of the doors. All the doors, you still got it on?
Yeah.
All the doors need redoing, repainted. Ceilings are bad shape. Ground mold needs replaced in most rooms. This here's one of the better looking rooms.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Heating and air conditioning vents are falling.
All of them are coming out.
Cabinets are coming loose from the wall. And here again, this door out of whack real bad. It's supposed to show the same margin all the way across, all the way right. See the air coming in around to here.
Let's get that room in there. Let's see.
Sheet box coming down around the hot water heater. All the baseboards is left with mess, see? See back in here. This grill here is trying to fall down. Spots all over the ceiling. I don't know if that'll show up or not. See them real good right there. Yeah, ceilings just like just spot spray. They just hit high spots on them. All the ceilings really right they doing. This ceiling here got cracks in it all the way down through there. That may not show it up, but
I believe it is going to show it. I got to zoom in right on it. Cracked. Every ceiling in the house is cracked like that. Every room. Yep, it's going to show up.
and these walls down have got heat blisters all over them. They should have been pulled off and completely redone.
Instead, they just kept sanding and mudding them.
Got big blisters all on them. The pictures got most of them covered up in them. The tires are coming down over here on one side.
I had to bolt that with a nail because it just hangs
Coming
down.
loose over here and there.
Baseboards don't meet down here. You see this?
Alright. What's that? And this door here is an inch off the floor. You can stick your whole hand under it, both sides.
And look at here. If things like this was left like that, and this door was sawed in half. Was an old used door.
Right.
I can get at. They just sawed that in half. Chuck it up there.
Holler on it. baseboard in this room should have been redone.
They're all damaged too, all these baseboards.
Hole in the wall here.
That vent's actually still in the ceiling, that plate cover.
Looks like he's trying to spot spray this one.
Yeah, they just tried to patch it up, cover it up.
He's over here, like the one over yonder, and put your hand under the jams. That window there.
Yeah, they paid to have all the windows to replace, but the contractors just hired a girl to come in here and clean with bleach, and they left all the windows. I think they replaced the living room windows. Every other window in the house is the original. They're smoke damaged. We've been cleaning, trying to get all the yellow discoloration off. That vent's getting ready to come out right there.
You get the shower grill from this side.
I did. Yeah, that was left like that. Okay.
This grill done fell from out here.
Yep. And these ceilings are cracked too. There, it starts right there. Cracked all the way across.
Right here you can see another big blister from over here.
Mm-hmm.
If you get a shot from over here, I don't know if you can see it from over there now.
Oh yes, it's showing up. Blisters under the paint. Blister right there. Those baseboards have completely rotted right down here.
Yeah.
Damaged.
Probably left leaking or something. You can see all
Both toilets have leaked ever since they were installed.
you can see all around the windows the smoke burns
Mm-hmm.
where it wouldn't clean up.
And look at here. Just see that?
Mm-hmm. Up here, you can see where it just spot painted, two different colors of white.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I see it. The windows in here, look at the baseboards. Right down there, look at that. Damaged. Just used and damaged. That's terrible. Look at it.
Got some smoke on it. Now there's nowhere here that's got
Smoke damaged frames. It's supposed to be, these windows are supposed to be replaced. But they're not.
this over here. It's got a lot bigger crack here as over there.
And there's supposed to be a cable coming out of that. We had cables installed in every room, and they mudded over it and
Got
sealed
another
it.
big blister here.
There's the cable. There's the cable that goes into the wall, but
Didn't bring it out.
they didn't put up an opening to
Big blister there. Nails coming back through here. There's a big blister above the door over yonder. I can see it or not. Did it show up there?
Yeah, I believe so. And look at here.
Mm-hmm. Nails here, wooden plastered.
Nails coming through. Yeah, I believe that's gonna show up.
Get it out. 2 downspouts, one here and one on that end.
Needs downspouts. Those were not replaced. Just left like this. Refer to the still photos also of the day they left it like that.
Didn't run on the under end.
Right there, just hanging there. And this is warped.
Overhead siding is warped bad, probably from the heat.
Mm-hmm. That was supposed
Should
to
have
be
been
replaced.
replaced.
Okay.
I don't remember what the vacuum baseboard. I'll rewrite it, get it back to you. Cause I probably need to add 10% to everything on it,
Mm-hmm.
at least.
Also, these, I'm sorry about that.
Okay, I had some pipe somewhere that was exposed.
All of them are. There were no plate covers put in for
Can
them.
you get a shot of that?
Just holes left. And underneath the vanity, look at there.
Mm-hmm.
And what is your opinion of that? Just left unfinished?
That was just, looks like left unfinished there.
Same with all the shower stalls. The fitting, the fixtures, no plate cover, just holes.
Yeah.
Cracked window. All the windows are supposed to be replaced. That's, see if I can get a shot of that crack there. Yeah.
I don't know if you got that grill there or not, but it's coming down.
Oh, didn't get the light here. Lights. You can see where they used spray adhesive glue instead of bolts. There's no bolts in there, and it just fell, and the frame busted all over the floor. It's ridiculous. Here's this bin covers falling out of the ceiling.
You know, I'll put a little further here, you can see it better. They got sticking down there.
Oh yeah,
Bubble
the
there.
bubbles coming up. All that has to be replaced, correct? New sheetrock.
In my opinion, all the sheetrock in here ought to come down and be replaced. Just fix it right, it ought to come down and be replaced, refinished out.
This wall here was sanded 3 times and painted 4 times, and remudded and sanded the 4th time, and they still. There's a guy came here and spent 12 hours sanding and mudding, and he couldn't believe when he finished the bubbles were still there. It's just damage underneath. There's nothing you can do but replace it.
Right.
Again, I think I got footage of that earlier coming out of the wall. All the baseboards need replaced.
That was me and J.W. Jacobs of Boonville, Mississippi, a private contractor that I hired to walk through the entire home for about 30 minutes, and the outside also, to address the faulty work and damages that we were left with after the home burned completely to the ground and was gutted. So he did his assessment, and we sued Allstate Insurance and the cleaning company and the repairman that Allstate hired, that left the windows, the original windows in the house, yet the contractors were paid to replace every single door and window. And you saw the doors and the broken windows and the faulty plumbing and the lights and fixtures and vents falling out of the walls, flooding from the toilets, the shower stalls not installed properly. It was a nightmare. We lived through about a year and a half, just pure nightmare, constantly the house flooding, and constantly having to mop up 80 to 100 gallons of water a week. It was awful.